An easy way to germinate vegetable seeds at home using tissue and Cocopeat. First, prepare your vegetable seeds. Here I'm using Kai Sim and lettuce seeds. Then get some clean tissue paper, a container, and water. Place the tissue in a container and moisten it with water. Make sure it's damp, not soaking wet. Spread the seeds evenly on top, then cover them with another layer of damp tissue. Keep the container in a warm, shaded place. After 2 to 3 days, the seeds will start to sprout. Once the seeds have sprouted, prepare your growing medium. Moist Cocopeat in a pot tray. Cocopeat is perfect for seedlings because it retains moisture well and allows good air circulation for the roots. Gently transfer the sprouts into each pot tray hole. Make sure the roots are fully covered with Cocopeat, then water lightly to keep them moist. Place the pot tray in a bright area, but avoid direct sunlight. In a few more days, the seedlings will grow stronger and be ready for transplanting into pots or garden soil. Super easy, right? With this simple method, you can start growing your own vegetables at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire more people to start planting.